Today I've got a really delicious expression that I want to teach you. It is bread and butter. Bread and butter. Let's take a look at a couple of examples using this expression, then we'll talk about the meaning.
Landscaping is my bread and butter. I enjoy playing golf, but it's just a hobby. Internet marketing is my bread and butter.
So a job that is your bread and butter is a job that provides you with the main source of your income. It provides you with enough money to eat and to live, right? You can buy bread and butter with this income. So it's a popular expression that we use to talk about a job that provides you with a lot of money. Leave an example in the comments using this expression to practice. Talk to you next time. Bye.